Hey guys, welcome back to our garage. Today, on this lovely July Friday, you find us in our garage. We're gonna work on a little bit of organization stuff today. Today, we are installing the Speedmaster's dual polisher wall rack. What this allows you to do is get your polishers out of their boxes, out of your storage rack that you need for your product and materials. Puts them on a nice display rack. They're easily accessible. This thing goes on the wall. Stay tuned as I just do a quick little tutorial on how to install it. It's pretty easy. Let's check it out. This video was not sponsored by AutoGeek. I just happened to order this stuff off AutoGeek and they sent me a trucker hat. Those that know me know I'm not much of a hat guy unless it comes to protecting myself, be it a helmet or from the sun. But when I ordered it, it came in a lovely box, was packaged perfectly, and came with some MOLLE inserts and some screws. That's it. We're gonna need Mama's cute little multi-purpose hammer. We're gonna need a screw gun with need your 3/16 drill bit, your insert for your Phillips head, some sort of marking utensil. I like the fine point Sharpies because they have a little tip that goes in holes that, you know, just the tip fits in the hole and you can outline the hole. So, and a level. It's trusty level. So basically you pick a spot. I've picked a spot right here-ish. Right, it's not covering anything up. It's gonna go there. The polishers should be able to slide right up there. Matter of fact, let's see how that fits. Let's get the big one out. Oh yeah, okay. As you can see, there's plenty of room. I can pull it in and out. It's not going to be an issue. Obviously, pads aren't going to be on it, just the disc. And so I'll be able to take it off, put it on. Since this has a solid base, I put the level on the base. Okay, pick the place where you want it. Again, sorry about the construction noise in the background. Okay. I'm gonna level this baby out. I'm gonna hold it against the wall. Take my marking utensil. And tinplate some holes. And you can see basically what I did. Now I've put one of the MOLLE pins in, or the MOLLE inserts. So got that. Basically what I'm gonna do, since I went with the one, right? Just kind of marked it out. I put the one insert in, I drilled the 3/16 hole with the bit. Took the hammer, gave it a little taparoo, sent it home. So I'm gonna put this up there, I'm gonna put a screw in, and then I'm gonna see how the rest of my markings line up, see if it works. Okay, now that I've basically, it's not secured, it's secured at one point. It's a little bit easier to hold it up there. I'm just holding it against the wall. There's one place to check level. And I'm gonna go along the bottom side, check level. Yeah, she's pretty level. All right, take my marking utensil, outline those holes. Stay. Now I'm just going to go through, I'm going to drill those holes where I've outlined them. I'm going to tap in my molly bolt. I'll show you, or my molly insert, keen insert, I don't know what you want to call them. Sometimes if the paper looks like it's getting in the way, you just take a razor blade and you just trim the paper out so that the molly insert sits a little bit more flush. All right, so let's get this a little bit closer. All right, so now just gonna get it started, right? So the tip fits in, push it, it's gonna stop, I don't have the force. Boom. Let's do another one. Boom. All right, let's bring the rest of them in here. You don't have to, you probably won't be watching it. I'll edit that out. All right, all the inserts are in. You're probably super zoomed in. How do I look? All right, all the inserts are in. I'm gonna get this thing screwed to the wall and we'll probably pretty much be done. So let's just, it's not, I don't. All right, y'all, it's up on the wall. I'm gonna insert a picture of it with the polishers on it so you can see what it looks like mounted to the wall with the polishers on it. I'll give it a nice little wipe down. I think I must add some buttered popcorn or something before I installed it. Anyway, again, the tools you'll need: screwdriver, hammer, 3/16 drill bit, the drill bit, Phillips screwdriver, hammer, drill, and a level. Don't forget that. Okay. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the quick little tutorial how to install it. Super easy, super simple. If I can figure it out, absolutely you can too, especially if you're handy enough to use the polishers. You're probably handy enough to install your own rack. So I appreciate you watching the video, even though you didn't need to. All right, guys, hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe if this is what you're into. Otherwise, I will catch you on the next one. Stay safe and take care of each other.